Hello everyone, my name is Moa. Welcome back to my channel and I am creating pictures. Thank you so much again for being here on my channel, for all of your likes and comments, for sharing this creative experience with me and enjoying my journey, and I am very grateful. So I'm trying to create every week, and as you can see I was very consistent, and usually this part of a video is very challenging for me, not only because it's hard to explain the concepts as ideas with words, not only because the English is not my native language, but mostly because the ideas get recreated and rebranded through the process. So for this one, I will ask you to just don't have any expectation, just strap in and let the pictures speak for themselves. So with the clothes, I decided to start with the nude blouse, and it should be the canvas for all of the powerful messages that I have here, and a lot of people could relate to this. And for this look, I really want to have more meaning than I usually have, more than just the pretty pictures. And I also create with like very black and evil hands. They should be as a color. And now I'm realizing to wearing a black turtleneck to show you this effect wasn't a great idea, but you will see them in the end picture.
So I started with creating just a nude blouse as a canvas, and I used already pre-existed one. Then actually it was a lot of stitching, different messages. I experimented a lot with the form, with the message, and the end result you can see it's a little bit different with which way I started. Then I finally started to create the hands, and that was a lot of fun because the sewing them, creating them was really interesting. I never done anything like this before.
The main point of the picture should be the blouse, and I didn't want the accessories to overshadow them. So at first I created these very cute rings, and they go great with red nails. And I also created this like cute hat for the ear. They look very nice and very unusual, but they do not overshadow the picture.
So I started with this pearl net thingy, and to get this form actually I overlaid all of the forms with the wire. It was really time consuming, but it was a really funny process. Then actually I created my finger rings, and I used a lot of beads, a lot of wires, and a lot of pearls.
My model name is Marlene, and we never worked before. And I'm very excited to meet new people, especially if they are models, because I'm really curious how they will interpret the look into the poses. So it's always very interesting and very exciting experience. And with Marlene it was a lot of fun. So for the makeup I decided to keep the same color palette as I had in a blouse. So I have this like very cool eyes with a very cute red under eye look, and I decided to incorporate more black into the skin, so I have a lot of beauty marks, and I finished the look with a very shiny lips.
Just before coming to me, Marlene actually changed her hair drastically, but we still managed to come up with something interesting, but that was a little bit unexpected. Then actually we create this like dramatic eyes. I work a lot with the beauty marks, and this how this look came to life.
For the background, I decided to use my red fabric background, and to give it even more drama, I actually colored it up with a red light. And in general, I use a lot of harsh light for this picture because I wanted to have like more volume and more drama for the end picture in general.
In this shooting actually there was a lot of elements I need to control. The hands was keep moving around, the blouse wasn't folding the right way, but the Marlene was handling this like a pro, and actually the poses are very dramatic. I liked it a lot.
The end pictures, I think it's fine. Marlene looking amazing, the blouse is looking very cool, the makeup is very nice. But I think I could do more in a post-production, or maybe I should change the lighting a little bit, because I don't think the picture is powerful enough. So this is the end for my video. Thank you so much again for being here for another week, and I hope I will see you in the next one.